Alright guys, I'm doing a recipe. So I'm going to make some Jello. This is gelatin powder, and you can make Jello really easily, or your own Jello. And I love using this Thirsty Buddha that's sparkling. I did a video with the watermelon flavor, and I'm going to do it with the pineapple this time. This works really well because it makes the Jello sparkling, and it has the fizz, and this already is sweetened, like not sweetened, but it already has sugar in there because of the fruit that we use, and it is coconut water, so it works really well. So you don't have to add anything to it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm warming up some hot water, gonna put the gelatin in here, stir it up in some warm water, and then just throw that in there, and then just put it in the fridge. So I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the gelatin. I find one scoop is more than enough for one can. So if you want to make a big batch, you might have to use 2 cans with a bigger pot. So generally it's about a cup of water if the hot, and then this will add another cup. So it's like almost 2 cups pretty much here. So stay tuned, be right back. Okay, so I added the warm water in there, so I'm just stirring to make sure it's fully dissolved. You don't want to add too hot of water. It'll actually solidify the outside, and you won't get to the inside, and it'll cause little bubble, little gelatin things that won't break up. So warm water is the secret there. And it's almost ready here. And there's a little bit of something you can break up there. Alright, all set. So I add the sparkling in here. There we go. And then stir it a bit, and put it in the fridge, and you're all done. So. Alright guys, I'm gonna stick this in the fridge, and I'll do a quick taste test when it's done. Yeah. Alright guys, here's the Jello, all done, the sparkling Jello that I made with the Thirsty Buddha. So here we go, let's do a quick taste test. Look at that, you can see the bubbles and fizz. Tastes like pretty good Jello actually. It's got some the hint of the pineapple, and it's got the mild sweetness from the coconut water. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.